Transverse waves. So according to definition, transverse waves are those waves in which the motion of the particles of a medium vibrate about their mean position perpendicularly in the direction of propagation of wave. So to understand simply, we take an example. Let we we take a stone and throw it in a pond of water. Then some ripples form on the surface of water. These ripples are perpendicular to the mean position of it, and it travels in to and fro direction. So the top point of the ripples wave called crest, and lower point of the bottom point of the wave called throw. So now I will show you a diagram, and in this diagram the lambda is distance between two crests, and this is the crest, the upper point of the wave, and this is the throw, lower point of the wave, and m is amplitude between mean position and crest, which is the distance between crest and mean position. Now what is the importance of transverse waves? So by transverse waves, when a drum or speaker sound start music, then music reach our ears through transverse waves, and when a bulb is turned on in a room, then light flooded in the room, in full room, and these light also travel by transverse waves. Without transverse waves we cannot see anything, because absence of transverse waves light not travel, and sound waves also not travel, so we cannot hear anything. So transverse waves play an important role in our life, and it is the definition and importance. And examples of transverse waves are ripples on water surface and light waves. Thank you.